I'm Tenzin,
And I'm Harper.
and we're from the Santa Barbara Middle School Teen Press, and tonight we're here with...
I'm SARAH SKLAR.
Nice to meet you.
Can you tell us a little bit about your film?
Yeah, so my film is called The Lonely Life of Lint. It is a heartfelt, short animated film about a solitary creature made of dryer lint who becomes aware of its own isolation and sets out to make a friend.
What conversations do you hope this film sparks?
I want to bring some positivity to the little parts of daily life that people are reluctant to do. So I think most people I know would not be very excited to clean the lint out of their dryer vent. It's a chore. So now that people have seen my film, I keep getting feedback that people are reimagining doing that. There are comments on my letterbox saying, "I'm going to think twice before I throw out the lint from my dryer vent. I'm going to give the lint in my dryer vent a smooch now. Like, why am I crying over throwing out my lint? You know?" So, getting people to look forward to parts of their lives they otherwise wouldn't. I think we live in a tough world right now, and if I can bring happiness to those little things that people experience every day, then I'm happy.
And Jarlin is such like an original topic. What do you hope this conversation sparks in the public?
It's similar, but let me think if I can add to it. There's something really special, especially in stop motion, when you're using found objects. I get a lot of people asking me if I actually used dryer lint to make my puppet because it's needle felted, so it kind of looks like it. I'd be having an allergy attack if I did that, so it's a good thing that I didn't. But I think there's something really special about animation specifically and simplified characters and the way that people can look at them and kind of project their own identities more easily onto a simplified character. So I think using found objects, talking about things like dryer lint, it just makes people enjoy their daily lives a little more, hopefully.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Please ask the homework question.
I'll ask.
Okay.
Okay, if you could give us one homework assignment, what would it be?
Well, it depends. What are your goals?
Anything.
It can be big, it can be small. Like, what do you want to do? What's something you want to accomplish? And then I'll give you an assignment.
Let's see. I don't know,
Like in cinema, if you were to give us a homework assignment, what would it be?
Well, do you want to be a filmmaker? Do you want to be like a journalist? Like what?
filmmaker.
Sure.
A filmmaker. Okay. My advice to you is if you have a story that you want to tell, just start making it. I come to these festivals and I get a lot of people who are film admirers in the audience, and they seem so impressed that there are all these independent filmmakers who got to a festival. But the only difference between me and them is that I actually did the thing that I thought about doing. So you can do it if you set your mind to it and you stick with it. It doesn't matter if it's good. It doesn't matter if you shoot stop motion on your iPhone. So many people do it. So many people start with Legos. There's a way to do it if you want to, and then you can get better from there.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. What were your names?
Tenzin.
And
Harper.
Harper. Nice to meet you.
Nice to
Did you
meet
stay
you.
in middle school?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Wow, good for you. Very impressed. Good luck to both of you.
Thank you so much.